Детали. Doors are closing.
memories of, or had memories of World War II.